Don't worry, friends. Today I am giving in this video giving some tips through which you can learn speaking English sitting at home. Okay, hello friends. I am Bedia. This is my first video on YouTube and welcome to my channel English with Bedia. In this video, I am giving you some tips, 3 tips to how to learn speaking English, how I can speak in English and sitting at home. So let's start the video. First of all, what you to do? There are many people who think that how I can speak because I study in Hindi medium, how I can speak, what to do I. So don't worry, I am here, I am telling you. So first what you to do? You do first is listen carefully. Okay, because we are in a children, we listen carefully and we can and we speak in Hindi because our mother tongue is Hindi, so we can understand and speak in Hindi because we listen and after then we speak. So you what to do? You listen and listen carefully. If you listen any songs and anything you listen, it'll say you listen in Hindi, not you listen in English, because it is a very important and a very necessary for you, because English is very necessary. And you also do your. So first is you listen carefully. Anything you listen in English, if you are listen any song in Hindi dubbed, so you can listen in English. Okay, this is the first, because it's very impactful. You can listen in Hindi. Hindi is you are speaking in Hindi and you can listen in Hindi. Your thinking is improved and you can always thinking in English. So first of all, you think and you can any social media and any you can listen carefully in English like a cartoons and songs and anything. It'll say you listen in English. Okay. And second tips is you must be try to see. Okay, you watch. If you are watching any cartoons, movies, anything else, you watch. But now you what to do? You watch in English. I think you also watch in English dubbed version, but now you what to do? You watch in English with subtitles. Okay, I think you also want to. I am watching a movie, but how I can see? You can try to be a watching English movie, English cartoons, and English whatever you see, whatever you can see in you can watch in English. Okay, with the subtitles, because it is very impactful to you. So this is the second rule. And next one is third is speak loudly, because this is a very impactful to you, because you in a room and any of the any and a forest and you go anything anywhere you go and speak very loudly. Okay, this is very impactful. You can loudly speak anything you speak, wrong or true you don't know, but you You can try to speak in English. Anything you speak in English first is wrong, but after then you try to speak in English. Try. But after then you can speak in English fluently. I don't, I am not a fluently, but I am giving you some tips through which you can learn speaking English. Okay, so this is the third tips to you speak in English. So friends, thanks for watching in this video. If you are new on the channel, please like, subscribe and share and follow me. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.